So the project that I'm working on right now is I was going to bring some wood down from my parents' wood shed to their house using their tractor. They have a small Kubota. But one of the tires was flat. Not only was it flat, the tire is not seated on the rim properly. So this is how you fix that. First of all, this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's a serious problem. And so the separation there is too big. You can't just fill it full of air. Well, it's a tubeless tire for one thing. You can't just fill it full of air because the air is all escaping while you're trying to fill it. Okay, so you got to use a little trick. And the trick that we're going to use today is called a controlled explosion. Science. Now, this is not an OSHA approved trick. That probably should be. All right, but this is how you do it. Now, I've learned throughout this process some things you can use and some things you can't. Non-chlorinated brake cleaner, for some reason, even though it's flammable, doesn't work well. But starting fluid, gum out starting fluid. By the way, gum out, you can send me a check for giving you a shout out right here. Shit works pretty good. Also, what you're going to want to do after you do this is put some air in it immediately. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the trick, then I'm going to pounce on it like a little baby puma. With the air hose, I'm going to put some air in it, and that way it will stay inflated. Here we go. Dangerous part. Like a little baby puma. Yeah. And that's how you do that.